Welcome back, students. Today we are gonna read this story. Story's name is Abdullah's Morning. But in very first, I wanna let you know about some difficult words of this story. So let's read. Porridge. 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 A food made by boiling oatmeal to a thick paste. A food made by boiling oatmeal to a thick paste. Porridge. Butterflies. Butterflies. Insects with four brightly colored wings. Insects with four brightly colored wings. This is a picture of a butterfly. 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 Swerved. 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 Front or changed direction suddenly. Front or changed direction suddenly. Weave. 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 Weave means to move. To move. So let's read this story. This story is about a boy called Abdullah who lives in a mountain village in Malaysia. Abdullah gets butterfly and sells them to a local craft shop. He used the money to buy special porridge for his grandfather. ये स्टोरी आहे हिकु बॉय जी जंहिंजो नेम अब्दुल्ला आहे जेको रहंदो आहे मलेशिया जे हिकु ॻोठ में. अब्दुल्ला पकड़ींदो आहे बटरफ्लाइज़ ऐं उन्हनि खे लोकल क्राफ्ट शॉप में विकिणींदो आहे ऐं उहे पैसा ऐं उन्हनि पैसनि सां हू स्पेशल पोरेज ख़रीद कंदो आहे पंहिंजे ग्रैंडफादर जे लाइ. Look at this story. Abdullah's morning. Each day as Abdullah sets off for school, he shrugs into the straps of his satchel and snatches up his butterfly net from beside the door. रोज़ानो जॾहिं अब्दुल्ला स्कूल खां रवानो थींदो आहे हू पाईंदो आहे पंहिंजे स्कूल बैग ऐं खणंदो आहे बटरफ्लाई नेट दरवाज़े जे भरिसां. His mother puts in papaya and banana and flat pancakes for his lunch. उनजी मदर उनजी माउ उनजे बैग में पपाया बनाना ऐं फ्लैट पैनकेक्स विझंदी आहे लंच जे लाइ. She smooths his hair and tells him to study hard. हू हुनजे वारनि में नरमीअ सां हथु घुमाईंदी आहे ऐं उनखे चवंदी आहे सख़्तु महिनत कजो. And listen to the teacher. ऐं उस्ताद खे गौर सां ॿुधजो. Because she wants him to do better than weave baskets and catch butterflies for the rest of his life. छोजो हूअ चाहींदी आहे त हू कुझु बहितर करे इन खां जो सॼी ज़िंदगी बटरफ्लाइज़ पकड़ींदो रहे. But grandfather reaches for his hand as he is going out the door. पर ग्रैंडफादर हुनजो हथु पकड़ींदो आहे जॾहिं हू दरवाज़े खां ॿाहिरि वेंदो आहे and whispers in his ear ऐं हुनजे कन में आराम सां चवंदो आहे Catch me a butterfly today, Abdullah. अब्दुल्ला अॼु मुंहिंजे लाइ हिकु बटरफ्लाई पकड़िजो. A big green butterfly if you can. हिकु वॾी ग्रीन बटरफ्लाई अगरि जे तव्हां पकड़े सघो था त. And Abdullah knows that grandfather is hungry for porridge that he likes so much. ऐं अब्दुल्ला खे ख़बर हूंदी आहे त ग्रैंडफादर बुखायल आहे पोरेज जे लाइ जेको हुनखे तमामु घणो पसंदि आहे. Because his teeth are all gone. छो जो हुनजा सभई ॾंद भॻल आहिनि. Abdullah rode down early to the town as usual in the rattly old yellow school bus with tall black writing on its side SEKOLAH. Sekolah. It says school. अब्दुल्ला सवेरे ई वेंदो आहे शहर ॾांहुं हिकु पुराणी येलो स्कूल बस में जिते वॾनि अखरनि सां लिखियलु हूंदो आहे सेकोला जंहिंजी माना आहे स्कूल. as the bus bumped and swerved down the mountain. जीअं ई बस हलंदी आहे ऐं माउंटेन तां लहण शुरू कंदी आहे. अब्दुल्ला kept watch out of the window. अब्दुल्ला विंडो खां ॿाहिरि ॾिसण शुरू कंदो आहे. Trailing his net gently in his hands. पकड़ींदो आहे पंहिंजी नेट पंहिंजे हथनि में. Hoping to be lucky enough to see a large bright butterfly. ऐं सोचींदो आहे त उनखे मिली वञे हिकु लार्ज ब्राइट बटरफ्लाई. अब्दुल्ला studied hard as his mother told him. अब्दुल्ला सख़्तु महिनत कई जीअं उनजी माउ उनखे चयो हुयो. He studied maths and English and faraway countries. हुन पढ़ी maths, English and faraway countries. He wrote carefully in his book and listened to Mr. Jinian. हुन चङी तरह सां लिखियो ऐं गौर सां ॿुधियो मिस्टर जिनियन खे. But all the while he kept one eye watching out the window. पर सॼो ई वक़्तु हुनजो ध्यानु विंडो खां ॿाहिरि हुयो. For a butterfly for grandfather. त जीअं हू बटरफ्लाई ॻोल्हे सघे पंहिंजे grandfather जे लाइ. Read the story and answer the questions. Number 1. Name 2 types of fruit that Abdullah's mother gave him for lunch. Number 2. Find 2 words that are used to describe the school bus. Number 3. What does Abdullah's mother want him to do at school? Number 4. What does Abdullah's grandfather want him to catch and why?